It's July the 13th. We are out fishing right now. You can see Evans. We got strangers. We got Larry over there.
Yeah, well, you gotta take a video of me getting sick.
Yeah. Oh, this would be perfect. You getting sick. Are you about to?
No, I mean, just when we're going like this when we turn.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
Evan is talking about getting sick right now, so I got him on video. That will definitely land on YouTube if it happens.
You got a ways to go.
Couple more beers, maybe?
Couple waves.
We got Ryan, we got Eli, we got brother Jack. He's a stranger over here. Pooh, we got there. Front of the boat. There's Captain over there. And what a nice little view there. That's over. Hey! Enough of that!